I'm Ainsley, and this video is for my best friend, Hannah. Which Hannah lives near my cousins, and I only go to see them once a year, so I hope I get to go see Hannah too this summer. And I made this thing for Hannah. She feels special. Unlike all you guys. Except for my other friends that are with us. But it says to Millerly, sexy, large, which is my favorite word, beautiful, smell it, now take it. Baha. And that's from the movie that me and Hannah both want to see. And totally awesome gal. Yes, you are totally awesome, Hannah. And you're very interestingly interesting. Yeah. And you're funny. And this is a little thingy that I wrote here too. Hannah is my BFF, which is best friend forever. Well, that would be BFF, but yeah. This is just sticker BFF. Anyways, it says, I have known her for over a year, and we have been friends ever since we met. We have never fought or never to death. I don't ever want to lose her, or I'd be so sad. This one's like, you know. Anyways, I think I was going to do something. Ooh. Turning on my PSP, and I'm showing you a song that is dedicated to Hannah. I can find it. Okay, dudes, I can't find it. It's going to be on my computer. I can't find it. Anyways, I'll show you another song that is dedicated to her. And it's funny that it's dedicated to her because it's the key out. I found it! It's somewhere in the dancing for you, yeah. Here I go. Get my camera. Hello, it's sexy cat. Sexy cat. It's like a rat. I hit them back. You might like then take it to the floor. Push it for a second. Double shake it like a mat. Sexy cat. Smile on the arrows. Push it. Okay, that's it. Get my camera. Yannin, take that baby. Oh yeah, watch this. You guys can hear that. Awesome hat, but Hannah's more awesome than my awesome hat. Oh, and someone wants to say hi to you too, Hannah. wanted to say hi. Hi, Hannah. Wee, Buttercup. Wee. I'm your hamster. I love you. You're so awesome. She used to have another hamster before she got me, and its name was Hannah too. It was a type-A hamster, just like me, but it was great, not, cause I he loves me so much. He kisses. Mwah.